This is our new drone. At the small. It's small only. Ah, it's so cute. I thought it's a big one. Yeah, drone namin, oh. Where is the camerahan? Tingnan natin camera. Ay, here. Meron din po siyang camera. Ayan, oh. Yeah, so this is the remote. This is the remote control for the drone. Yan. Ito siya, may antenna. This is the antenna. Okay, and I don't know what is this all about. So, maybe stand niya. No? So, ayan siya. Ayan sa likod. Okay, so, meron din siyang manual. Ayun. Manual here, how to operate. Diba? Ito siya, guys. Yung kanyang quadcopter drone operating manual. So, ito yung kanyang manual. So, that's it. At yan lang, guys. I don't know how to charge it. Maybe may ano yan. Ayun, meron pala siyang charger. Have a charger. Meron siyang extra na ano ba yung blade ba? For the wings to fly. For the wings to fly. So, this is our drone. Small drone pala to. Ayan. Well, let's try tomorrow or Friday. My day off.